How to make one of the best quesadillas you ever tried in your whole life, guaranteed. Grab a 3/4 pound New York strip. Season every surface with coarse salt. Let it marinate room temp 10 to 15 minutes. Medium high heat, 2 cups onions, 2 cup bell pepper, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and a little salt. Cook those for 5 to 10 minutes until they begin to caramelize and pick up some color, being sure to add oil as needed. Wipe that pan out, get it ripping hot, then add in your steak. Cook that for 1 to 2 minutes per side until a beautiful crust is developed. Don't forget to lightly sear those sides. Turn your heat down to medium and slowly cook it to your desired temp. I went for 130 for a perfect medium rare. Take that out your pan, let it rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting. With your heat still turned off, throw in your vegetables so they can soak up all that goodness. Large tortilla, throw down your cheese, throw down your veg, throw down some of my Cajun seasoning, throw down your steak, season that steak up, more cheese, close that beef. Brush both sides generously with melted butter, then transfer to a medium high heat pan until it looks like this on both sides. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more recipes.